Hi kids, how are you? So today we will discuss subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Right? So let's move on to the board. Focus there. Look on the board and keep listening to me. Whatever I am saying, I will try to show you by solving some sums. So as you can see on the board, when we do the subtraction between the like fractions, the answer is simply the difference of the numerators, right? Say for example, 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. See the next example, 11 by 12 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4 by 12. And finally we give the answer in the lowest form, simplest form, right? That is 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. Then, in order to perform the subtraction between unlike fractions, we change the given fractions into equivalent like fractions and then subtract as shown in the examples. We have 8 by 9 minus 5 by 12. If we take the LCM of 9 and 12, we get the LCM as 36. So we write 8 by 9 is equal to 32 by 36 and 5 by 12 is equal to 15 by 36. So when we subtract, we get 32 by 36 minus 15 by 36, that is finally we get 17 by 36. See the next one, very important. Question is subtract 3 5 by 9 from 5 1 by 6. See how we have written it actually first. 5 1 by 6 minus 3 5 by 9. That is 31 by 6 minus 32 by 9. If we take the LCM of 6 and 9, it comes out to be 18. So rearranging accordingly, we get 93 minus 64 by 18, which is equal to 29 upon 18, and this is an improper fraction, so we convert it into next fraction and write the final answer as 111 by 18. Right, got it? See the next question, interesting one. Which one is greater and by how much out of 5 by 7 and 9 by 14? So first we have to compare which one is greater actually. So using cross multiplication we find that 5 into 14 is equal to 70 and 7 into 9 is equal to 63. So 70 is greater than 63, therefore 5 by 7 is greater than 9 by 14. So we will do 5 by 7 minus 9 by 14. If we take the LCM, it is 14. So calculating accordingly, we get 10 minus 9 by 14 is equal to 1 by 14, right? Which is the final answer. So 5 by 7 is greater than 9 by 14 by 1 by 14. Okay? See the last question now. The cost of a pen is rupees 6 2 by 3 and that of a pencil is rupees 4 1 by 6. Which cost more and by how much? So cost of a pen is equal to rupees 6 2 by 3, that is 20 by 3, and we can write it as 40 by 6. Cost of a pencil is 4 1 by 6, which is equal to 25 by 6. So clearly we can see 40 by 6 is greater than 25 by 6. So 6 2 by 3 is greater than 4 1 by 6. That is, cost of a pen is more than the cost of a pencil. So difference between their cost is equal to 20 by 3 minus 25 by 6, which comes out to be 40 minus 25 by 6. 6 is the LCM. So finally we get 15 by 6. This is an improper fraction, so we write it in the mixed form as 2 3 by 6, which can be further written as 2.5 rupees. So the cost of a pen is more than the cost of a pencil by rupees 2.5. I hope it's very clear. You got it? So thank you class. Goodbye for today. Practice as many sums as possible. Keep enjoying life. Keep playing. Keep listening to music and enjoy your life. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.